Hi students, welcome to Navodaya and Sainik online classes. Today we are going to deal with number systems. Before going to the topic, I have a question for you. That is, how many fingers you have? To answer this question, you may show these are the fingers I have. So, to express something, you will use some symbols or something in words. So in any other languages like English, for this we have alphabets, that is we have symbol as well as some expression in words as pronunciation. In the same manner, to express any measurements in mathematics, we should also have some symbols which are the basic building blocks of any measurement. Those are nothing but digits. So, digits are the symbols which are basic units in mathematics or any measurements. So those are nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 digits, these 10 are known as digits. So while I have given you a question like how many fingers you have, you started from 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So why you have started from 1? Why you have left 0? Because to express any measurement, everyone will start from 1 because the basic measurement will start from 1. So these digits will have some significance in measurement. That's why these digits are called significant digits. While coming to 0, 0 has no value. So it has nothing. That's why it is called insignificant digit. Okay? Okay. Based on these digits, in any language we have alphabets as well as some words which are formed by alphabets. Right? In the same manner, maths also has word-like structures which are known as numbers or numerals. So, next we have numerals. We can form numerals by grouping different digits. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 158, 180, 938, 6300, like this. So every one is here known as numeral. So we have some symbolic notation of numeral. As well as we can say this as 123 or 158, 180, 180 and so on. So to express this numerals into words, we have numeration. So, like in other languages, we have symbol as well as how we pronunciate that symbol. Like we have mom as a symbol, and we know how to pronunciate it, right? In the same manner, we have some symbol in maths which is known as numeral, and to express this in words, we have something called numeration. So, for any language, let's have an example of English. English have two different pronunciations. One is British English and the second one is Indian English. So, both of them have same meaning for certain word, but the pronunciation will be different. In the same manner, for numeration also we have two types of systems. Basically, two types of systems. One is based on our region, so numeration, expressing numerals into words is nothing but numeration. For numeration, based on the region, we have two types. One is Indian, or which are also known as Hindu-Arabic, which is mostly used in our country, and the second one is international one, which are used in abroad. International are also known as British numeration system. So to express anything, we have two systems, Indian or Indo-Arabic and international or British system. Okay. So to express some number, this number into words, we have certain structure, that is nothing but numeration chart or place value chart. So based on these two types, we have two type of numeration systems or numeration charts. That is nothing but Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Indian place value chart has 4 periods. Those are nothing but ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. And in those, it has different places, and in that, it has different values. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So based on this Indian numeration system, how this number is pronunciated, that is nothing but how this number is pronunciated is this 10 crore 91 lakh 87,000 and 543. And also in international system we have 3 periods, ones, thousands and millions. In these periods we have different places. Those are known as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So in this numeration system, how we will pronunciate this number is 109 million 187,000 and 543. So the value will not be changes, but the pronunciation will changes based on the number systems. So let's have, based on this place value chart or numeration chart, we can come up with place values of certain digit. So based on this numeration charts, we have for a digit, for any digit in a numeral, we have two type of values. Those are place value and face value. So for example, let's take 54321. Here for the digit 4, what is the place value and what is the face value? To find the face value, we need not to do anything. That is, face value will always remain between 0 to 9 for any digit. That is nothing but whatever the digit, its face value will be the digit value. Coming to place value, to find out the place value, we will write this number in expanded form. That is, so units place will be multiplied with this number, tens place will be multiplied with this number, and so on. Based on the places and its number, we will multiply that number with that number having in the places. Okay? So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So in thousands we have 1000. Then 4 into 1000. We will get 4000 as its place value. Okay? Even we can write it as 5 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1. So here in expanded form, whatever we see, that may come as place value for any digit. Okay? So here, whenever we have some sort of, here let's find the place value of 0. So for that, 0 into, for that, let's have 50193. For this we have to find place value of 0. For that we will multiply this with 1000. So 0 into anything is 0. So the place value and face value of the digit is same. Then the digit is nothing but 0. So we can say that 0's place value and face value are same. Okay? Next, successor and predecessor. Successor of any digit. So for any number. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the successor for this number. Then we will add plus 1 to this number, and then whatever we have obtained, that is the successor for this number. And then predecessor. To find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from that particular number. Then whatever we have the result, that is called predecessor of that particular number. Okay. And also we may have something like greatest n digit number as well as smallest n digit number. So to find out greatest n digit number or smallest n digit number, we should have to do like this. For example, let's have different digits as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for this, the smallest number will be 0 and the greatest one is 9, right? Here the smallest one is 10 and the greatest one is 19. Here 100 and 999, 1000 and 4 nines. And so on. So by observing this, we can say like this: the smallest digit is formed as, for example, for one digit we have 0, right? 0 is obtained as 1 minus 1. For two digit we can say like 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 1, 1 0 and 1 is placed left side of that 0. And then here we have two zeros, that is nothing but 3 minus 1 zeros, and at the leftmost side we will place 1. Like this we can say this n digit small number is nothing but n minus 1 zeros and 1 placed as the leftmost one. So 1 in the leftmost position and n minus 1 zeros in the right side of that particular one. By this we can form smallest digit. To form the largest digit or greatest digit, we have to place a number of nines in that particular place. Okay. And let's have one more questions like, what is the difference between place value and face value of 5 in given number? So to find the place value, we will multiply this with 100, and to get the face value we have to get it from digit values. So 5. So he has given the question as difference between place and face values. So that is nothing but 495. In the same manner, we may have some questions like difference as well as sum also. If he asked for sum, we will add and we will get 505. We may have something like, what is the greatest 5-digit number formed using these digits. So he has given greatest. Then we should have to place the greatest digit in these digits in the leftmost side. That is 9, and then greatest one is 5, and then greatest one is 4, and then 3, and then 1. So this will be the greatest 5-digit number formed using these numbers, and smallest one. So leftmost side 1, 3, 4, 5, and 9. So by placing smallest digit or greatest digits in the leftmost side, we can form greatest digit as well as smallest digit. Okay? And we may have something like difference between the greatest number formed, greatest number and smallest number formed using given digits, same number. So greatest number is by placing greatest digits in leftmost side, and smallest digit number is formed by placing smallest numbers in leftmost side. So the difference will be like this. So comparing two numbers to get greatest and smallest numbers. To get the greatest and smallest numbers between two numbers, first we should have to find number of places involved in that number. For example, 5 4 3 2 1 and 5 4 1. In this, it has 5 places. So the number which have more places will be the greatest number. And then if we have two numbers with the same number of places involved in that number, that is 5 4 3 2 1 and 5 4 3 2 2. So to find the greatest and smallest among these two numbers, so first rule is always find the number of places involved. 5 5. So these two are equal. Then we should have to compare the leftmost numbers. If these numbers, if any one of the number in the number greater than the second one, for example, if it is 6, this will be the greatest number. But here both are same. Then we will compare the second most left number, that is 4 4. These two are also same. Then we will compare 3 3. Then we will compare 2 2. And here by comparing these two, we can get 5 4 3 2 2 as the greatest number. So the second one is, we will compare leftmost numbers of each number. The number which have greater digit in its leftmost will be the greatest number. By this we can find greatest and smallest numbers. Now we will discuss the previous year questions which are given in different years. First we will go with the 2015 question which was find the greatest number formed using 72480. So to form the greatest number, how we can do is get the greatest number in leftmost place, and then second greatest number, and then second greatest number, and then second greatest number, and then the greatest number of last one. So by this the answer is 87420. And then we will have one more question as 2016. Find the smallest number among given numbers. That is, options are 7413 and 7350 and something 7130 and then 7545. So to get the smallest number, how we can compare? Comparing the number of digits. Everyone are 4. So then we will compare leftmost places. Everything are equal, and then second leftmost 351. So C is the answer. 7130 is the smallest number. Okay, and then we will have one more question as difference between the 6-digit smallest number and 4-digit greatest number. That is, to form the 6-digit smallest number, we will place 1 in the leftmost place and n-1 zeros in right of that 0. 1. That is, so this is the smallest 6-digit number, right? And then 4-digit greatest number. To form the greatest number, we will use 9 in 4 times. So 1, 9 to 9, 0, 0, 0, and then 9. So 90,001 is the answer. It was given in 2016. Find the difference between greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number formed without repetition. So here we get without repetition. By default, if we have this question without by removing this word, we will do 5-digit greatest number. We will use 5 nines, right? And 5-digit smallest number, we will place 1 and then 5 minus 1 zeros. this is the answer if we are not getting without repetition in the question. But we got the thing as without repetition. So then here 9 is repeating, right? So without repeating, greatest 5-digit number will be by placing 9, which is the greatest number in the leftmost place, and then second greatest number 8, and then 7, and then 6, and then 5. And smallest number is 1, 0, 2, 3, and 4. So by subtracting, we will get 1, 3, 5, 8, 8. So by observing this, we have to make sure that the greatest number will be like this. Okay. So this was placed on 2018, I think. Okay. And then one more type of question is like find the 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit smallest number formed where 9 is at tens place. Okay. Okay. For this type of questions, we will get 4 boxes. And here in question they have mentioned 9 is at tens place, right? Then and also they have mentioned smallest number. So to get the smallest number, how we can do? That is, we will place 1 in the leftmost place and then 0 in the next place and then 0 in the leftmost place. So this is the smallest number. If they have included some numbers 1, 5, 3, then same. We will place 9 in the tens place and then smallest thing 1 in the leftmost place and then smallest one is 3 and then we will place 5 in the rightmost one. Okay. So we will solve these type of questions up to the present course. Okay. We will cover types of numbers and how we will find the sum of all the numbers by tomorrow. Okay. Bye.